Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva's Brand Hub and collaboration tools. So welcome to another episode of Canva Motion Secrets. My name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Canva Brand Hub. So if you're actually a pro user or a Teams user, you have access to Canva's Brand Hub. So you'll have a brand kit. You can have actually multiple brand kits in here. You can have brand templates. So this would be created by your team. You can have controls in terms of the colors, the fonts, and design approval. So this is actually available for teams. You can check out the teams plan. I'll place the link in the description of this video. So with brand kit, you can actually upload your logos, colors. So I already have one. This is my brands. Basically, these are all the logos. These are all the colors, the fonts. You can upload your fonts in here. You can have photos. I haven't uploaded any photos yet. Graphics, icons. So basically everything that you would ever need for your brand, you can upload in here. So you can invite members. So when it comes to collaboration, let's say you want to collaborate on a certain design. So let's say this one. So this is a YouTube thumbnail, for example. You can easily access all your logos, colors, and resources in here. From the left. And then let's say you want to actually add some comments. You can mention your team member. You can assign it to them. You can add a sticker. And just put in the comments in here. So basically it would be assigned to your team member. So they'll be prompted for comments in here. So they can actually change it or modify it if it's shared across your teams. Okay, so you can share it from here. You can assign certain tasks using this tool in comments, just like this one. So pretty much that's how you actually try. Let's say, for example, we'll try to edit a video. Hold on. So if you're working on a video, got a lot of designs in there. Let's say you just create a new blank video. So let's say I just choose a template in here. So if you're working with someone else, or your editor or your client, so basically you can just mention it to them. Add your stickers. and then you can assign it to them. They can comment, they can edit. So okay, so basically you just shared this particular design with your team member. So basically that's it. Can check out the links in the description so that you can check what Brand Hub can do for your brand or for your team. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. Bye.